Glow ASMR Lab.
A vast surgical hall breathes in silence. 5 masked figures stand frozen around a glowing table, as if time itself paused to witness an impossible rebirth. Her eye opens slowly. Dry, fractured skin stretches with effort. A weak breath escapes her lips, carrying the fear of decades trapped inside failing cells. One assistant turns toward us. The neon visor reflects blades, syringes, chrome tools. No words spoken, only a silent promise of irreversible change. A trembling electronic compass scans her face. Red laser lines carve across wrinkles like battle maps, measuring the depth of time's cruel invasion. A holographic warning ignites above her body. Molecular reconstruction has begun. The air vibrates as machines hum with hunger for transformation. From above, glowing red markings expand across her forehead in perfect symmetry, like ancient ritual symbols guiding the procedure into dangerous territory. Macro lenses reveal skin cracked like desert earth. A digital probe sinks gently into the wrinkle valley, calculating decay hidden beneath the surface. On a cold glass tablet, numbers rise, cellular collapse nearing its peak. The assistant's gloved finger confirms what her eyes already feared. She breathes slowly while vapor spills around her neck. The room feels colder now, as if youth itself has been drained into hidden reservoirs. Glowing symbols trace her cheekbone. Their light pulses softly, syncing with distant machine rhythms that echo like mechanical heartbeats. The camera circles the table. Neon reflections ripple across polished steel floors, trapping the team inside a silent orbit of clinical obsession. Her eyelashes tremble under surgical light. Somewhere between pain and surrender, her mind drifts toward the promise of being remade. Tiny sensor nodes pierce the skin surface. Blue indicators blink alive, connecting her body to an unseen network of artificial intelligence. A digital graph climbs steadily upward, skin tension stabilizing, yet the silence suggests this calm is only the eye of an approaching storm. A futuristic iron tool arrives, exhaling blue plasma smoke. Its presence alone bends the atmosphere, announcing the beginning of industrial healing. Metal touches flesh. The first wrinkle receives the heat of progress, and the lab holds its breath for the miracle or the mistake. Slowly, the deep line melts like candle wax. Years dissolve under controlled pressure, surrendering to engineered perfection. Steam rises with a sizzling whisper, every sound amplified, a symphony of friction, heat, and cellular negotiation. 2 assistants stabilize her head. Precision becomes survival as the device glides across fragile timelines etched into their skin. A smooth, glossy patch emerges where chaos once lived. Youth peeks through like dawn after an endless mechanical night. On-screen counters flash, tension stabilizing. Machines calculate destiny while human hands execute the command. The iron slides along her jawline. Each movement rewrites history, flattening the proof of sleepless nights and vanished summers. A drop of sweat falls from a gloved wrist in slow motion. Even the operators feel the weight of this unnatural responsibility. Half her face reborn, half still imprisoned in decay. The contrast stares back like a question science may never fully answer. Tiny plasma sparks dance at the tool's edge. Energy crackles like distant lightning trapped inside a surgical ritual. A silent thumbs up passes between masked faces. Approval granted. The operation moves deeper into irreversible territory. Liquid chrome pours from glass like molten moonlight. Its thickness promises armor, or perhaps a cocoon for evolution. The metallic fluid spreads organically, hugging every contour, sealing microscopic doubts beneath reflective certainty. Lips disappear under living silver. breathing slows as the mask claims territory once ruled by fragile human biology. Neon lights fracture into endless reflections across the mirrored surface, turning her face into a futuristic constellation. Subtle vibrations ripple beneath the chrome. Something beneath is waking, reorganizing at molecular speed. DNA bonding percentage climbs. Each digit feels heavier than the last, as if rewriting life carries cosmic consequences. A glowing serum pierces the mask layer. Blue veins of light spread instantly, activating dormant codes. Macro ripples travel outward like shockwaves across a liquid planet. The mask responds, adapting intelligently. The team watches without blinking. Witnessing progress is safer than interfering with it. The chrome hardens into a flawless mirror. Humanity disappears, replaced by clinical perfection. Excess silver drips from her chin. An assistant wipes it away carefully, preserving the sculpture they have built. The camera dives into her reflection. The entire lab bends upside down, reality folding around engineered beauty. Time accelerates violently. Lights flicker between days and nights, compressing existence into seconds. Fine dust settles on the unmoving mask. Silence grows thick enough to hear the passage of forgotten hours. Holographic calendars flip uncontrollably. Weeks vanish like files deleted from memory. Darkness, then a message. 14 days later, anticipation sharpens like a blade in the void. Heavy doors open again. The assistants return as if summoned by an ancient technological ritual. Hairline cracks glow across the chrome shell. Pressure builds beneath the surface of synthetic eternity. A corner lifts. Fresh luminous skin appears beneath, untouched by history's erosion. The mask peels away with a metallic sigh. Old identity sheds like armor abandoned after war. One assistant holds the discarded shell proudly, evidence that time itself can be removed. Darkness returns. 60 days later appears like a verdict delivered from the future. She rises slowly. Perfect skin radiates under surgical light, rewriting every expectation in the room. Tweezers stretch her cheek outward. Elastic fibers respond like engineered youth. Released, the skin snaps back instantly. Physics applauds the victory of biodesign. Her glass-like surface captures neon reflections, turning beauty into luminous architecture. Macro lenses search for pores, finding none. Smoothness becomes almost supernatural. A gentle press creates a soft rebound. Flesh now behaves like precision material. She touches her own face in disbelief. Transformation finally feels real. In her eye, the lab glows forever, proof that rebirth leaves permanent reflections. Split screens confront the past and present. Wrinkles fade beside radiant symmetry, a visual argument no one can ignore. The team stands behind her like silent architects, their work complete, their secret secured. Lights die one by one, only her glowing face remains. A final message emerges. They do not fix humanity, they recreate it.